I'm trying to be quiet because it's early morning on a weekend and I can't sleep in. I used to have sleepless nights worrying about my finances because, you see, I've built up quite a credit card debt going through a divorce. So how would I ever pay that off? I'd worry about my kids because I want to help them financially with paying off their student loans and saving up for their own homes. I used to worry about our future because how long can I keep up this pace working at a demanding job, and will I ever have enough to retire? Now that I have found a digital opportunity, I'm tossing and turning because I can't stop thinking about the Legacy Builders program. It's a low investment program that fits your budget, anywhere from 100 to 900 US dollars. And the automated system works in the background and literally while you sleep because it's a digital system and it's the fastest growing industry in the world. The first sale recoups your full investment, and then from then on it's 100% profit. And by following a proven blueprint, you earn as you learn. And they teach you how to master a 2-hour workday so that you can spend more time with your family. So now I can rest easy knowing that I found the solution to all my worries, and I invite you to come join me and we can earn as we learn together. So type yes in the comments because I would love to share this opportunity with you. So hope to chat soon. Bye for now.